Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use text before, text after, text between and text after plus text before function in Excel. As you know, all these functions are used for extracting text from one cell. Okay, so how to do it? Here you will see I have made a table with full name and email. Now I want to extract name here and email here. So with the use of these functions I can easily do it. So first you equals to text before. We will use text before. Okay, so text before, then inverted the bracket will open. Okay, then it will ask for text here, so you have to use this text. Then it will ask for delimiter. Delimiter. So what is delimiter? So delimiter is if anything separate. Okay, as you see here, John Doe name is separated, name and email is separated by this less than symbol. So you have to just enter that symbol. So you have to inverted comma, then you have to use this less than symbol, then inverted comma close bracket. So you will see name has been extracted. Now I am going to extract the email. So how to use this? You have to enter text after. We are going to use this function text after function. So now it will ask for text. So text, select the cell. Then again text after. Now I want to extract the text after this symbol. So just inverted comma, then less than symbol, bracket, inverted comma close, bracket close. So you will see email by using text before. Here you will see name has been separated, and by using text after, email has been separated. Now if I copy this to the cell, you will see all the name has been separated. But if I copy this formula to the cell, you will see here you will see the greater than symbol is appeared. Okay, why? Because here after this less than symbol, greater than symbol is also available. So for that we have to, if you want to eliminate this greater than symbol, so you have to use text between. Okay, so you can use text between, or you can also use text before plus text after plus text before. As you know, text between is available only Excel 365, which I don't have. So I have to use this text after plus text before function to extract that email. So you have to press equals to, then first text, type text after. Okay, then again after bracket open, text before, bracket open. Now it will ask for text, so this is the text, comma. Now it will ask for delimiter. So what is delimiter? So I want to extract the text before this greater than symbol. So you have to enter the greater than symbol, then inverted comma close, bracket close, comma. Now I want to extract text after this less than symbol. So you have to enter this inverted comma, text less than symbol, then inverted comma again, bracket close. So you will see the greater than symbol is disappeared. So like this you can use this, and you can use the text after, text before, or text between, text after and text before of function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.